You can also insert out diagrams inside of diagrams.net on the basis of text that you enter. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the Arrange menu, and then you can go under Insert right here, and under the Advanced section you can see that From Text is an option. If you were to go around and select it, then you can see that a sample is there. So you can see that a person is here, date of birth is here, and so forth, and you can go around and click on Insert, and you can see that similar data gets inserted right here. You can go around and change around the values as per how you like. Let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here onto the Advanced section, and if I were to select text, then this is what you have right here. So you can see that I have all of these. So I'm just going to go around, and let's say, for example, under address, I'm going to go around and say TutorTube right here, press Insert, and you can see the value change right here. But what I want is I want much more simpler examples. So I'm just going to go to Insert, onto the Advanced section, From Text, and instead of list you can select diagram as well. So over here you can see A, B, B to C, and C to A is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click on Insert, then you can see that I get more of a rounded diagram right here. So let me just go around and replace it out with my own data. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto Arrange, onto Insert right here, and then I'm going to go around onto Advanced and then select text right here. So once I do that, let me just go around, select diagram right here, and over here instead of example, I'm going to go around and say TutorTube right here. So I'm just going to go around and say plan, and then I'm going to go around and say record, and then I'm going to go around right here and then copy out the record and then paste it out right here. So this is the S label, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and then copy this for a while and then paste this down below. So first of all is plan, record, and record, then it's going to be edit right here, and after edit is going to be edit, and then I'm going to go around and say render. And once I do that, once I render, I'm going to go around and say render, render, and then I'm going to say upload, and I'm going to go around and say from upload, I'm going to go around and say plan, like let's say for example check again, and after that it is going to be plan right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and add in an S level right over here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and add in an S level. You can see that this is what you have. So I'm going to go around and then just copy out the format that I have right here. So let's just go around over here and paste that out, and this is going to be the plan right here. And over here what I'm going to type in is, let's say for example, check, and then if everything is okay. So let's say this will be the condition for the diagram right here. And I'm going to press insert, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So from upload to check right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So let me just go around and press Control Z right here, because I don't want to actually go around. You can see that a diagram is inserted out, but since the code was not as per how I liked, the code was a bit off, you can see that the final connection is not made right here. Well, let me just go around over here onto insert, onto layout right here, not layout but advanced from text right here, and if I were to select out diagram, this is what you have, as you can see, and we can change it around. Besides that, we can go for circular look over here as well instead of the other look, and you can go around over here onto insert, onto advanced from text right here, and select out horizontal flow as well, which will apply more of a horizontal look, as you can see, even if it is the same data. And you can go around over here onto from text as well, and instead of that you can select a vertical flow as well, which is in a vertical format, as you can see right here. And that is how you can insert out diagrams from text inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.